Hey guys, my name is Chris. I just finished installing these two split sliding barn doors behind me. This is a barn that I've been working on for a while. It's kind of a nights and weekends project on my own property. So far, I built everything without using any big lifts or any heavy equipment really. If you haven't seen my other videos on how I've gotten to this point, you can go check those out on my channel. I'm gonna go down there and open these up to give you a sense of scale, just how big these things are. Here's my door frame. It's on my 18-foot trailer, so the 16-foot door is gonna fit on there, and I can lay it all out and build it on the trailer. Once I have the steel and I have the full door built, I can just drive that under my rig and then lift it up straight off the trailer. So if you follow this channel, this will look familiar. I use a very similar system here to raise my trusses. You see this winch behind me right here is kind of at an angle because it's not directly below where I need to actually raise this door up. I want to hang it from the center of the center mass of the door, and that center mass is going to be offset from anything I have down here to fasten a winch to. This bolt I drilled cockeyed through so that when this is up there, that cable can come straight in on this side and come slanted down to that winch. So I'll put some screws in there on that truss temporarily just to hold this in place and run a cable up through so I can lift that door. Once that's stabilized and in place, I can put those wheels in that track and get that door slid over so I can get the next one installed in exactly the same way. So that's my plan. I had to reverse direction on that winch. That's why I had to pull this all the way out. But while I have this here, this is what I'm going to use in my door. And this is kind of a rigging setup. You never saddle a dead horse. So the saddle always goes on the live end. That's something I learned. Well, I'd say that went pretty well. Got this thing stood up. So now I just need to get the wheels up here, the trucks in the track, So I'm just gonna use my winch to kind of get this thing wiggled over and then get those wheels on the track and slide it over to this stop block. One door down, one to go. Those doors.